I apologize, Marine, for this rather crude behavior of mine. But it's your own fault, you know. You were getting to know more than was good for you. The trouble is, how long will they be finding you? That safe of mine's rather ingenious, don't you think? Well, arrivederci. Sleep well. Copper. Is that you, Charlie?
That's you, Carson. You've had it. You might just as well come.
I warn you, Chester, I've got the girl here. Try to rush me and she'll get it first.
How do I know she's there? Get back and phone for more men, and they better be armed.
Call out you're here and don't play any tricks.
Why should I?
You do as I say. Call out.
Don't worry about me.
You heard that, Chester? I'll give you 10 seconds from now. Chester, why don't you answer? 1, 2, 3, 4.
How do I know I can trust you?
You don't, Chester, but I'm counting. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What about it, Chester?
Okay, McGuire.
Yes, sir.
Take him away, Quinny.
Come on, Mr. Carson.
How the blazes you get here, Bob?
Same place Campelli appeared out of. The El Fresco Cafe across the street. Incidentally, the guy that owns the joint must be just about coming to by now. Somebody ought to see about him.
All right. I can take a hint. You all right, McGuire?
I was, sir, till now.
I'll leave a card outside for you both. See you later, Bob. And thanks.
Wow. There's ingratitude for you. All right till now.
Well, wasn't I?
You don't think that I'm the sort of guy that would take advantage of a girl when she's all tied up and helpless?
No.
You don't sound very sure about it.
Oh, but I am. I'm sure you wouldn't dream of it.
Then you're crazy.
Let me up. Will you please untie my hands?